Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term overpack. When shipping dangerous goods or more generally any goods packed in packages, it tends for reasons of convenience both in storage and in shipment to group multiple packages to a same consignee in a single unit. This unit in the field of dangerous goods takes the name of overpack in English and must be reported in accordance with the regulations. Specifically, these units must be labeled with the overpack labels and all other labels and marks for dangerous goods associated with the goods enclosed inside. It should be specified that only for shipping by air IATA of more than one overpack must be assigned to each of them a name that should appear alongside the overpack. Overpack must be marked with the word overpack and with the mark of limited quantity as required for packages. The mark overpack, which must be easily visible and legible, must be in the official language of the country of origin and in international transport also in English, French or German unless agreement between the countries provide otherwise. Package orientation must be affixed on two opposite sides of overpack containing packages, which shall be marked with arrows of orientation unless they remain visible. Thanks for watching. Bye.